What are you doing, Jameson? Get him. Get Kudos. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jameson? Jackson! Jackson, what are you doing? Siri, what are you doing, Here comes Jameson again. What are you guys doing? Sarah, you're such a pretty dog. You're so pretty. Muffy. Oh, looks like Jojo knocked down my drink. That's all right. What are you doing, Luck? Get in there, Lily. Bruce. Lily wants to get in. She's thinking about it. Get in there, Lily. Get in there, Lily. The water's nice. Come on. There you go. There you go. That's pretty nice. Oh, she likes it. Yeah. Pretty nice in there after all. Oh, what's that? Getting a little wet. Getting a little wet. Look at her. That's so funny. It's nice and cool in there. Are you going to get in there too, Jackson? You see your buddy in there? How about we put you in the one without the hose? There you go. You going to try it out too? Oh wow, look at you. You don't think it's so bad either. What are you doing, Sari? Get him, Rusty. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come on. Go. There we go. You finally get out of there, Lily? Oh, look at Zoe. Doesn't think it's too bad either.
No, that's not. That's good?
What about Jameson?
I like it.
You think, yeah, not so much. Not so much. I don't think so. I don't think so. There you go, Lily. Go on back in the pool. Oh, look. She getting back in there? Oh, look at that. Right in there on her own. Oh, that is too funny.
I like that.
She likes it. She says that is pretty nice. Oh, yeah, right under the hose. Oh, this is nice. I'm a bulldog and I'm hot. I'm a little warm. There, that's pretty good, huh? What do you think? Is that pretty nice? Huh? Your buddy Lily having a good old time in the pool, huh? Oh, I think it's Paisley's turn. Good girl, Paisley.
Peanut, come here.
Peanut's like, yeah, right. There's Lucky. Look at Lucky. Get it, Lucky.